honestly, this is a blend, okay? These clip-ins from Amazon are literally probably worth every single dollar. Like, today we're doing clip-ins. This is one of my favorite ways to style my hair, especially when it comes to extensions. It is so easy. The possibilities are endless. I have some clip-ins from Amazon. These are inexpensive and they also look really good. So today we're gonna go ahead and style it on my hair. I kind of just straightened my hair and just flat ironed it. I didn't do anything extra to it. I have no product in my hair, and when you're doing clip-ins or tape-ins or I-tips or bundles or any styles that require a lot of your hair to be out, or you want to start off with a clean, fresh slate. You don't want it to be too greasy because the style won't look the way you want it to look. Now, I haven't opened these, so I don't know what the hair looks like, what the texture looks like. Let's do this in steps so that if you're a beginner, you can easily follow along. Step number one is make sure your hair is washed, blow dry it really well, and go ahead and flat iron your hair really well. I just had it sewn and it's partially damaged. I cut out a lot of my hair by an accident, so it might look kind of thinner in certain areas. But that's one of the good reasons of clip-ins. Clip-ins allows for that fullness without being committed to just one hairstyle. Step two is we're gonna go ahead and prepare our clip-ins. These are from brand Lashey, and these are also seamless. Now, one of the things I love about seamless clip-ins, they lay so flat on your hair and they camouflage and blend into your hair really well, meaning the band is just nice and flat. I'm so used to clip-ins from back in the day that were so bulky and just didn't look good, and you're just like, well, what do I do with this? Oh, these look so good. Oh, and the texture looks pretty good. Oh, it's a Yaki texture. This actually looks really, really good. Do you see how flat and skinny that band is and how thin it is? This is what you want it to look like. I hate these things back here. All right, we're just gonna part. And you see like all this breakage? Oh, I hate it. I just spray it with a little bit of hairspray from far away. Let that dry a bit. And clip it there. And it should look like this. And then comb as you go. Perfect blend. Let's go ahead and part the next section. And I'm gonna part them very close to each other. This has 3 clips. Again, comb as you go. I find it best to do thin rows when doing this because I want my hair to look very full. That's 3 in the back. I still have a lot of hair left, so we're gonna just evenly spread it up, but I have 2 packs. So I just love when your hair is just going so well, everything is going so great. I wanna make one long track that goes from here all the way, like, you know, here to here. I'm gonna connect these two, so it does that. So the next important step is you need to angle your clip-ins. As you come up to the sides, you're gonna go up, okay? So don't keep going straight. You wanna go angle, okay? I'm gonna show you what I mean. All that I have left from the first pack are these 2 pieces. Again, we want a very full look. So if you just wanted this much hair, like if you only wanted this amount of hair, you would be good. You'd be great with 1 pack. But I want it to be very full to where it looks like a sew-in. Open this one. And sometimes you might have to overlap. If you have to overlap, then that is totally okay. Like, don't feel like you just don't want it to be bulky. You want it to lay nice and flat on your scalps. Now, you do want to make sure you place the top part properly because it can get real bad real quick. Like if you don't put it too close to where you want your part to be. So be mindful of how high you're placing it. And be wary of this. You see how it's like bulging out? We don't want that. So unclip that. And if that means you can't go straight like that, you might have to angle it down like this. That over. This one doesn't want to stay. And we do have I have this short piece and this long piece left. And if you want to get greedy, you can go ahead and find somewhere to put it. I think I might be okay without it. Now let's style the hair. It blends, but it doesn't blend good enough. So we're gonna go ahead and just make that look better. So I'm always using my Way and my carrot hair for styling. It makes life so much easier. My hair ends up smelling really good and it looks good and it's not too oily. So highly recommend to use those two products. Use a little bit now. And then carrot hair, she smells really good too. Absolutely love. Ooh, what is hairs on it? And then I just, well, first of all, let's fix the part. You always want a hard brush. Them together already. You can also put carrot hair on your edges. But we can stop here. This is our desired look. Love this look. You can stop here. Look how full it is, guys. So good, and it blends so well with my real hair. Absolutely love. Guys, I don't have a mirror in front of me, so if it doesn't blend, tell me in the comments, because I can't see. We're going off of hope and faith. Cute. I love. We can claw clip her. But no, seriously, this is a vibe. I love this. And it looks really good though. Highly, highly, highly impressed. I'm telling you, if y'all don't know about clip-ins, get into clip-ins, okay? I know we know about it, but don't sleep on them. Like, it takes a little bit of work to put in, but literally less than 30 minutes. So now we're gonna do a ponytail. So we're gonna wave this. Let's wave this up. Second look, you can get nice crimps, and I love crimps because it's a way to camouflage when your hair doesn't look good, right? So sometimes my hair, I just don't want to flat iron it, I don't want to straighten it, and I don't want to put, you know, things on it. If I crimp it on Monday, the crimps usually last until like Friday or Saturday, or I can just braid it overnight so that it still has a crimpy look, and it just buys more time and allows you to put less heat on your hair. So crimps is like my go-to secret hack that literally So with this style, we're gonna want two scrunchies, a thin and a thicker one, and I'll explain as I'm doing it, but we're gonna use a thinner one for the inner circle. Take our clip-ins and face them going this way. Starting from the inner parts of the ponytail. And then in the front, we're gonna place the clip-ins going this way, going back. Okay, and you can put however much you want to put in. Obviously, the more you put in, the thicker your ponytail is going to be. So totally up to you. pulling it up into that ponytail. I need strong arms for a ponytail because my arms is burning. Okay, so normally I would use a regular scrunchie, but I'm gonna use a hook tie because my ponytail is pretty thick. So let me get, our real hair clearly is gonna be sticking out. We're gonna fix that. And to make sure my real hair is not just like sticking out like like that, I take a hairpin. For my edge control, I always use edge booster. This is another hairstyle that you can do with clip-ins. This is so cute. I think next time I'll put my real hair in a bun on top so that it doesn't, like, I don't have to put all those hairpins or something. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Today's hair was sponsored by Lashey Hair, and absolutely love the way it blended in. Honestly, I would highly recommend you guys try these clip-ins. Like, I think they're worth the money, and they weren't actually that pricey. So the good thing is they are from Amazon, so you can get it very quickly, easily. And so yes, I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys really are gonna try out clip-ins. I think they're so easy. They're also good if you really want to wear your real hair, but your hair is thin or it's just not, you know, the way you want it to be. Or so I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and peace.